everybody, you can see a very big plane. In the back of me, this is not any normal plane. This is Concorde, the first supersonic passenger plane. So, let's see about this. Well, if you know about this, then you already know that it travels at Mach 2.2, sometimes 2.2, sometimes Mach 2. Yes, it's very confusing. So let's see the construction of it. So you can see, this is the construction of Concorde. Yes, you can see there is a drop nose, like it goes from this to this. Why am I giving an example of me as a Concorde, as a plane? Well, this is the cockpit. There is the cabin door where passengers get into Concorde. So, this is the fuselage. There are the delta wings, these two, and there is the jet engine, which makes it travel at Mach 2.2 or 2. So, there is the vertical stabilizer, and you know already about planes, that this is the main landing gear, and this is the nose landing gear, and these two are the main landing gear of any plane. So let's see the drop nose. Okay, it goes up and goes down 12 degrees. Yes, just like this. Yes, now it is 12 degrees. Let's see the sonic boom. It's gonna be a very loud bang. Bro, why is it so loud? It's not as loud as I expected to be, but when any object travels at the speed of sound or more than the speed of sound, like this, no, more than that, then it creates a loud bang. And the pilot or the passengers cannot hear it because they're traveling supersonic, more than the speed of sound. The sound wouldn't be able to catch it. Okay, now let's see the dimensions. This is the Bombardier CRJ 200. This is the Concorde, which we are talking about today. This one. This is the Boeing 747, the queen of the sky. So this is the biggest plane in the whole world. The Airbus A380. Yes, this is Airbus A380. So, guys, that's all for today. Next, I'll be back with another interesting topic. So,